Hi friends, myself Vamsi Krishna, currently working as an assistant professor in Mallareddy Engineering College. I made this video virtual lab on engineering mechanics. So where first BTech engineering students, especially civil engineering, mechanical engineering and mining engineering can perform engineering mechanics lab experiments virtually through some interactive simulation model. So let me show you the sources which I found in internet. So which are the best sources where student can practice all experiments which were there in your laboratory. So in a virtual form. Let me show you the sources. So because I always believe when we show something, some kind of visual things, so definitely students can enhance and they can build their mind in a scientific way, right? Your mind will be enhanced with some kind of scientific thinking. So that's how you can able to relate all the knowledge with your practical experiments. So here, there are three sources which I found on the internet while doing it, right? The first one is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, so who developed a lab on engineering mechanics. I will show you that on screen and I'll try to explain you the experiment which are given by Amrita Vidyapeetham. And next one is NHD, so which is mainly focused on physics, mathematics, chemistry, biology, and health sciences. So now we all know that engineering mechanics is about a brand of physics, right? Which derived from the physics. So by that, physics knowledge is always very important to understand the mechanism of materials. So by that, this PhD who developed by Colorado University is giving a lot of information in terms of knowing about forces, stresses, strains, friction, and all. And the other one is APK Float, which is also a physics virtual lab. I'm trying to show you all these three in my screen. So this is the first source which I showed you, which is from Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Mechanics Virtual Lab. Let me show you the experiments which are prepared virtually. Torque and angular acceleration of a flywheel. See, the aim of the experiment was clearly given. It is to find the angular acceleration and torque of a flywheel and torsional oscillations in different liquids, moment of inertia of a flywheel, Newton's second law of motion, ballistic pendulum, collision balls, projectile motion, elastic and inelastic collision. I hope at least a few of these experiments there in your curriculum, in your first year BTech, isn't it? So by that, you can perform these experiments virtually and where you can understand the concept easily, okay? So where you can relate your theory knowledge with some practical experiments and you can see the procedure, how to take the observations and do the calculations and all. So let me show you one experiment. So which is the moment of inertia of your flywheel. So how to see this? Okay. Entering into this, so you can try to take my link or you can type in Google, okay, on web browsing bar, b-lab.edu education / subject equal to 1 and time equal to 64. You can type the link right away or else you can Google engineering mechanics lab by Amrita Vidyapeeth. Okay. So that also will redirect you to the link. So let me take the moment of inertia of your flywheel. We show the difference behind it. Procedure, evaluation, feedback, assignment, reference, and feedback. Okay. This is how the virtual lab was developed. So we can take the artist required behind finding the moment of inertia of flywheel. Go to each and every of this and the applications where point of inertia is going to be used. Right? So here it was clearly I can use to store energy and use to produce very high electric power process requirements where point power from a public network would produce unacceptable spikes. A small motor can accelerate a wheel between the pulses. Size square 3. If you want to see process perform experiment, you can take the procedure and go to the procedure later. So here you can find procedure and procedure for doing the lab. Right? So you can have observations in the table and what is required to calculate the moment of inertia and then right? So if you want better value, definitely you can evaluate how better you learn about this experiment. By clicking the sales value, you will have you to observations. So here you can tell yourself how much you learn about the experiment. Right? Is for what? Dimension formula for moment of inertia is what? So like that, you can evaluate yours. Let me show you simulated task. Let me talk about the assignment. Okay, you can answer questions. Might just definitely come across in your otherwise lessons when you level at the examination. So might be the external examiner may ask questions from this. So like you can do a problem on condition which was given in form of assignment. See, for every practical experiment there will be a reference. So we call them as a code. For finding the number of references follow this. So you can get a book, you can get an code. Okay, so here you can find references like now mechanical experiments in motor practice by Shanier, Cheshire, and all like we should show this and all. So finally you can feedback the college how the these actions also can use them. Okay, so let me see the simulator where you can perform this experiment virtually. Take the simulator. Now it will show you the real equipment where you can perform. And do the okay, so we can sign up. So we can what we like to do. So in this motion, model data, let me do the data over here. My email ID, right? Confirm email ID. We can paste it also here. You can use your existing account also if you have any code in table, Yahoo, Google, all. The first name, so I'm first registering with this website by having my data here, and my age is website name and phone number. See, like this information, if any updates, definitely will share that update with you. So your name also contact. Location and my tuition, college. So if you're a student, you can do student order, Malawi Engineering College. I'm from Malawi Engineering College. Subject, engineering mechanics. University, NTUH, country, India, India, China, right? And you can just now logging the user network, so now you can view all experiments which are there in engineering mechanics. So with the credentials which are given in the registration, right? Okay. Let me see where it was exactly here. Mechanics virtual lab. It is in mathematics. There is a mechanics virtual lab, which is under the issue of advanced dynamics and mechanical systems. So for you guys, especially don't go in first year, so you don't I mean you won't need this later, you know the basic of that. I mean, you have to right. Okay. And you see you have one. So you like right. So for this experiment, you have to enable the muscle. So you have a dynamic between some you have to go in settings. It's basically given how you have enabled plus system with technique. So you can work with. So let me call this Google. Not go in settings. So in settings, there is a option of first before allowing site to run flash internet. And then you have to go allow site to run flash. And then again, that is detect one important fact that is my allow site to run flash. And if you go Google, not just Google. So if you are in Google, okay, so whether you can go and all the options. Let me go with the Google Chrome because right now I'm using Google Chrome. When Google make this settings for then let me go to Chrome. So let's see. So this is how it looks like here. And type okay, so read that so let me slash content. All of them will flash here. Okay, after that, so that also that I have to go content space, which will lead to flash. Okay, is that content? Yeah, it's a flash. Block site running flash. So I'm unlocking them. Okay, so it should be right. That's it. Block site I don't know if are going to be blocked now. So it is enabled now. Right. So I enable that and let me check again. Yeah, in JavaScript. If you experiments you run through JavaScript, then let me on when JavaScript object JavaScript was enabled. Okay, I can experiment will run through JavaScript also. Right. Okay. Now it is right. Let me go back. My control. Now let's play. Data stored across sites. So this is the way let me go to I think if your system is enabled with the package, it will show you, the simulation model. Okay. So by the way, you can perform it here. Let me go to another website. How is it? So this is another website. So where the developer by Boston University. So you can perform those kind of exposure. It is related to rotation motion, right? Momentum conservation, acceleration, position dynamics, single half motion, electric material, capacitor, animation, and other online labs because they're related to them. So let me show you for position. Okay, this is developed by Florida University. Okay, then after you go to the simulation lab activity, this is over above. So So it is redirecting you to the PhD Colab University. While clicking this, yeah, see, it's redirecting you to PhD website. Okay, so play the video and others can download it and see the simulation. Okay, let me download it. Yeah, you can download it. You can do that. Okay. Some videos can be played directly over here and some can be uploaded. Okay, let me see the section lab. So show me the video format. This is a document over here. Okay, and you do that. So I show you one simulation of the bubble by then. Two, one. And it is a video. This is a and you can see and concept methods. Before they start making the option. Okay, you must not get all kinds of your like actually adjust it. Okay, not only the okay, so I think in my system is not even body, so that's the reason why it's not showing the social experiment. But it is not systematic. So just go to the site of Amrita Vidyalaya Survey and look at all labs they do in engineering. It comes with, as I mentioned you clearly. So it is talking about engineering sciences, basic sciences and biochemistry, biology, like biotechnology, right? And it will be talking about aviation and everything. So it will show some introduction and whereas drag app and everything. Okay, let me first go with introduction by clicking on the overview, right? So clicking introduction. So here see the option. So it is something like a game, but they are not just games where you can just play and go. So here you can learn a lot. So here we are talking about projectile motion, right? So projectile motion is not like in your engineering. How it is going to perform, so that everything can be understand here, right? So here you can fix first speed, right? So you see 1%, right? So here initial speed. You can fix your speed like this, it starts with 0 to 30 knots. So you can fix it here, 15 about the velocity, right? And there is a person over here, and here the air resistance you can fix velocity, vector, so that component, acceleration vector, roll components, right? So like of this also can be fixed by time, right? So I drag this, I can be adjusted, right? Okay, right. See, so this is the way how you can perform experiments virtually. In the angle of this, I also adjusted 20 degrees. Minus 1 degree is needed to perform this experiment, right? So let me fix it 20 degrees. Okay, so there are more options we take. So what comes with it, able to measure the distance. So by using it, we can measure the distance. Okay, by putting it at 0, so by dialing the distance of this, right? And then it is around 29.3 meters, right? So you can angle, and now the location is also maintained here, right? And there is an option called cannonball, clamshell, bolt wall, baseball, football, pumpkin, everything. But fix it with number. You can keep that to baseball. Okay, if you keep that baseball, so it will fix the baseball back, right? Like this. And if the target is time, range, and height. Right? The air resistance cannot be applied. Okay. So cannonball, we can talk immediately. So how the projectile motion was created. This is a projectile motion. Okay. Here, we want to control our you can shift your hand over this. It will more the length of projection experimentally. So you can read the velocity 30 meters per second. Okay. You can see like this. You can see like this beyond your length parameters. Okay. So you can go and you can see the further length. So this is how the virtual lab works. Okay, it's something like a game. Okay, so you can learn something, you can relate to the concept in practical. Okay, this is how this will be understand here, right? So like this you guys will be able to there in other developments in all the elements like a motion or other way, right? So this is how we're going to relate to the practical, right? So thank you so much for viewing this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon and share this video to all your friends which are there in other engineering colleges also. At the same time, this concept will be useful even for the children also. So if they are pursuing things like from your course class, I think this information will be you can even share with your brothers and sisters. Right? So thank you so much. So please subscribe by that. Any notification which was released through my YouTube channel definitely it will come to your mail. Okay? So by that I will be in touch with you. Any comment or any kind of files, so please put in your YouTube. Okay? By that I can reply for your question. Okay, thank you.